and were honor students, graduated honor students, and we'll let them tell you in a moment where they're going to school, but they are truly to be commended.